Hey, it's Kiwi back with another video. In this video, I'll be using all drugstore products. So, come get ready with me, sis. My eyelid shades will be from the palette of EBIN New York Secrets of a Pharaoh palette. And I'll be using the Kiss Press-On Nails. But first, let me pop those eyebrows using the Absolute New York Super Slim Brow Pencil in the color Espresso. And like I said, all the products that I'm using in this video are drugstore products, and they're all affordable and easy to find. What I think is so dope about this brow pencil is that it's double-sided. So it has the brow pencil and the spoolie brush on the other side. Super convenient. Here is a must-have drugstore product, and that is the LA Girl Pro Concealer. My shade is Almond, and this concealer is silky and smooth, just how I need it to be. This product here is one of my newly favorite finds. I use this like clockwork. It's the 24K Gold Face Primer. It's hydrating and illuminating. Let me just say right now, whoever told you our drugstore products wasn't messing with high-end was wrong, okay? Let me tell you. Of course, I'll be using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, the matte and poreless in the color 330 Toffee Caramel. This foundation is going to do what needs to be done. Trust that. It's going to give full coverage, long time wear, and no crease lines. Okay, sis? Let me tell you. Let me not forget about this e.l.f. brush, this kabuki brush. It is a special find. This brush is going to give airbrush looks, Hollywood Boulevard, and it's super affordable. I want to start by applying the LA Girl Pro Concealer on my eyelids just to have a clean base for the eyeshadow that I'm about to put on my lids. And I just want to blend it in, and I'm not going to add any powders or anything. I'm just going to let it sit flat like this. The first color I'm going to dive into is called Warm Sand. And I'm going to just be patting this warm sand along the crease line or above the crease line. And I'm just going to go back and forth with a couple strokes on both eyes. The Secret of Pharaoh palette comes with 6 matte shades, 5 shimmer shades, and 1 pressed glitter shade. These shadows are super smooth, they create long-lasting looks, and they're highly pigmented, which I enjoy. I'm now pressing the Sundown shade into my crease. This palette has an Egyptian sunset theme, which sounds like it's fit for a Cleopatra like me, but this is cruelty-free and has a 12-month shelf life. So here I'm just blending the colors so it won't look too cakey on the eyelid. And now I'm going to step into the Sunbeam shade, which is actually looking like a sun beaming off of the horizon, I guess. So being that this is a pressed pigment palette, I'm actually going to press some of that pigment onto my eyeshadow, onto my eyelid. What I love about this palette is that all of the shades are super pigmented. They're good quality. The palette is super affordable, and it's just great transition colors. I love it. Here I'm just gonna do, my little regular routine by highlighting, the main areas of where I usually highlight. I actually got this beauty blender from the drugstore, but I'm not exactly sure the name of it. So if you're a subby or if you're a newbie, this palette you need to know about. This is the 3D Contour Artist Palette by Kiss, which has cream concealers and correctors, and I actually used this in my last video, which how to cover a black eye with makeup, and it was phenomenal. Yeah, so go check out my video. It'll be in the description bar, and you can click it up in the cards right here. Okay, honey, this is the part where you have to pay attention. This is how you get snatched, honey, when you use that contour, creamy contour, and that creamy concealer. This is how you get snatched, trust me. I'll be using Airspun's loose face powder, and this face powder is great because it doesn't leave a white flash, it doesn't have you looking like a ghost, it's great to sit and bake, and it's pretty wonderful, actually. I love it. For my falsies for this video, I'll be using the I Envy Little Mama 3D collection eyelashes. I love these eyelashes because they are super 3D and they have great quality. They stay on and they flutter and they're just awesome. Thank you, Little Mamas. I'm going to support you with whatever you come out with, sis. Trust that. So I'm going to be tying up this look with a bunch of BH Cosmetics products. One which is for the blush, and this is the Blush Neutrals palette, and I'm using the Duo Light Highlight 9-color palette by BH Cosmetics. So all of BH Cosmetics products can be found at all your participating drugstores. Well, look at that. The Absolute New York Brow Pencil actually came in handy again as a form of lip liner. I mean, I love this dark chocolate color, which is espresso, so I decided to use it for a lip liner. Another newly find is this Maybelline New York Super Stay Matte Ink in the colors Poet. Okay, another Absolute New York product. This is the Spritz to Fix Dewy Setting Spray, and I'm just gonna spray it all over this magnificent application of makeup that I just created and did. And to continue with the theme of neutral colors, we're gonna be using these Kiss nails. I'm gonna apply them and I'll be back.
Statement, star. Said you wanna be a legend. Legend, statement, star. Said you wanna be a legend. Or statement.
So this is my completed look. This is my full look using all Drugstore Makeup products, and it has a little pumpkin spice latte feel to it. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you learned a thing or two, please like this video, share this video, comment in the comment section if you would like to, and please subscribe to my channel. I would love you to become a new subby to my channel. So see you later, and thanks. Bye.